waxaan isha ku haynaa doorashada Soomaaliya sababtoo ah waa qasab inaan la soconno oo aan ogaano in hogaamiyaha ay dooranayaan uu yahay mid garab taagan oo fahmi kara shacabka Kenya sababtoo ah kan hadda jooga qaadkeennii ayuu joojiyay sidaa darteed waxaan doonaynaa inay doortaan qof cusub oo aan shaqadeennii horey ugu sii wadan karo
yetu ayende Somalia.
The man in Mogadishu is not a very good guy. He's a puppet fronted by Turkey, Qatar.
Can you verify that?
Yes. Look at what the Turkey is doing. Turkey is arming America, the Somalis against the United Nations Security Council arms embargo. Turkey is training secretly 1,000 pilots. Who in Africa has 1,000 pilots? What are they going to do? They're arming to kill us. So we have that president there, that American president who is ruling Somalis. Why do you elect a foreigner? Why do you elect a foreigner to be your president? He should have declared that he's an American.
Are we likely to see Kenya and Somalia sitting down between now and June to come up with, what you'd say is a solution that benefits both countries?
If we remove Faramijo, yes. Faramijo is a disgrace to this region. Therefore, the only thing, you remember I have 93 MPs who are my friends in Somalia. And I want to tell you frankly, I am the one who filled their forms for asylum in Britain. They are there in that parliament.
Okay.
If Faramijo does not come to table, the next cause is a vote of no confidence. I need 120. We are going to do it.
You'll be looking for those signatures.
No, I don't need signatures. They have already, there's a motion in parliament challenging Mr. Faramijo.